Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch a video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Interact with all of our media. Really do appreciate it. Make sure you remember that we're giving away a Pavia compatible asset. The details are here on the Twitter page. If you go to the Twitter page and watch this video, then you'll see the details about it. We've already given away one, and we're on our second series now, so make sure you enter that. Have a chance to win that. We have a stake pool. Check out our stake pool. You can watch about the stake pool on the welcome video of our YouTube channel. Okay. All right. So today I want to talk about two different projects, two different ISPOs. I think both of them are great projects. I even think they should partner up at some point. I mean, they're kind of right along the same lines as each other. So two exciting projects. I've had a number of requests about Flicto or Flicto, their ISPO to cover this. So and it's something I've been wanting to cover. I actually mentioned this project a while ago briefly, but I did not do a full-length video on it. And this is a great project. This is basically a incubator for new people that want to enter film and the arts, right? And I can become your media producer. And you can make your own stuff, and they're going to basically, it's kind of like a GoFundMe type deal. You put your project in, and then the community that holds the Flick token is going to vote on who becomes funded or who doesn't, and then you'll receive like a grant type deal or a GoFundMe to have your project completed, so you can complete your project. Really great idea to help people that are just emerging into arts, into music. Really great idea. I believe this is a really good, going to be a really good thing. So it is a very big industry, right? So they also have some great rewards for their delegators into their ISPO, into their stake pool. Some excellent rewards. It's going to grant you early holder access to high utility NFT drops. It's going to give you additional be able to staking with additional opportunities. I think you're going to get like a cut, just like the other project that I'm getting ready to talk about. You'll get a cut of some of these like special rewards from some of these projects, maybe some of their tokens or something like that. Let's see, in their white paper, I'm not going to go through all of this, but this is just a real high overview of it, just to kind of whet your taste buds. Maybe maybe you'll be interested in getting involved or reading more, learning more about the project. So what you see here is this project's been going on since February, right? Start date. The ending of it is in epoch 353. Okay. So that's going to be around July. Base rewards is 0.33 flick per active ADA staked. Okay, so that's pretty good. That's a high reward basis, 0.33 per ADA. And then some of the other things that are going, rewards for the ISPO remastered delegated rewards and NFT. If you stake a minimum of 100 ADA. NFT, you'll receive an NFT for participating for 5 epochs, 20% when held for 30 epochs, 15 when held for 25 epochs, 10 when held for 20 epochs. So that's long-term delegation bonus. A lot of people are doing this now, rewarding people for long-term holdings. So you get early access to NFTs, bonus flicks, NFT at the end of the ISPO. So what's going to happen is at the end of the ISPO, the flick is just going to be automatically dropped into your wallet. Okay, so just a lot of information here. I encourage you to come on here and check this project out. I think this is a great project, and if they're successful, then hopefully we'll see some really good fruit out of the project. Of young artists being able to fulfill their dreams that maybe could not have if this project wasn't around. So this is going to be like a launchpad project for artists and things. And I could see this in a whole lot of areas. I mean, they could go funding into real, like plays and like Broadway type deals and stuff like that. All kinds of art. So who knows what is held in the store for them, but that's just speculation on my part. They probably whatever. But the music industry and the art industry, film and video industry is very large, and I think this would be a good project to be involved with. Okay, now the next project I want to talk to is right along the same lines. It's NewM, and basically they have their ISPO going on right now, and what they're doing is they are you can apply to have your project submitted to them, right? This is a streaming platform, right? So you can put your music up there and basically produce your own music, and you kind of do away with the middleman. Because if you don't know, in the music industry, what you do is you sign your life away, right? You become an employee of somebody else, even though it's your art. To be able to have your foot put in the door, you're basically signing, all your artistic abilities and all your production away to somebody else when you become part of the music industry to some big record company. Okay, so I found out this through this project through drip drops. Um, and if you're not dripping, man, if you're not dripping, you're not dripping, right? But I'm dripping. So I believe this is going to be a really good projects. Whether you're going to actually, just like on the Flicto, they're going to give you a cut they're going to give you a cut of if you're a holder of the token, they're going to actually give you a cut of future profits, from these different projects that are launched, right? So let's see. So same deal here. Make sure you get on drip drops and get your tokens. I'd like to see the two of these partner up, but it says with new M year comes new M token opportunities. We are partnered with Drip Drops to give our delegators the ultimate rewards in the form of token grab bags. New M delegators can now get in on the ground floor with some of the most innovative tokens on the Cardano blockchain by simply delegating to the new M stake pool. Now, this stake pool is going to only take, I think it's 25% of your ADA rewards, and then you get the rest of your ADA rewards, whatever you would have gotten. The 75%, after the 25% is taken out, and then you get their token as well. So by simply delegating to the new stake pool, you not only get 13 new M per 1,000 ADA, but you have the option to be airdropped a myriad of other tokens. Okay, so you have, I guess, the people that use their platform, if they have tokens, then you may be able to be dropped some of the other tokens, from other projects on the projects. In addition to the ADA and the NewM, you will have an option to receive other Cardano tokens. 75% of stake pool rewards are shared among all NewM delegators. Staking with NewM gives you the highest amount of NewM tokens offered on Drip Drop. So if you're staked with NewM, then when you go to Drip, then you'll have a higher percentage of NewM tokens. Um, so that is that. This is a good project too. They have a great team. They have a large team. I checked their team out. You always want to check out the team. Flickto, I encourage you to check out their team. Their team is great. Or they, my opinion, they look great. My opinion, this team looks great as well. And they have opportunities for ambassadors here. Here's some of their different artists. Okay. So it just gives you an overview of the project. Um, all right, well, I hope you check these projects out. I really like them, so I like them. I think they're good projects, and I think they're going to be successful projects, but only time will tell, right? All right, so anyway, thanks for hanging out with me, and I hope your trading's going well. Y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time.